Eighth sum. A partnership firm earned net profit during the last 3 years as follows. 2016 20,000, 2017 17,000 and 2018 23,000. So these are the profit for last 3 years. The capital investment of the firm throughout the above mentioned period has been rupees 80,000. That is, capital employed is rupees 80,000. Having regard to the risk involved, 15% is considered to be a fair return on capital employed in the business. That is, normal rate of return is 15%. That is fair return on capital employed. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of super profit. They were asked to calculate goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of super profit. First we have to find out average profit. Average profit equal to total profit divided by number of years. This is a formula for average profit. So total profit we know 20,000 plus 17,000 plus 23,000. This is our profit. We have to add this 3 item and divided by 3, that is number of years. So 20,000 plus 17,000, 37,000 plus 23,000, we get 60,000. 60,000 divided by 3, we have to strike out in third table. So we get 20,000 as our average profit. After find out average profit, we have to calculate normal profit. So normal profit equal to, we know the formula, normal profit equal to capital employed into normal rate of return, into normal rate of return. This is the formula for normal profit. So capital employed is 80,000, that is given in the sum itself. So capital employed is 80,000, rate of return is 15%. 80,000 into 15% means 15 by 100. We strike out 2 zeros. So 800 into 15, we get answer 12,000 as our normal profit. After find out average profit and normal profit, we have to find out super profit. So super profit equal to average profit minus normal profit. Average profit we know 20,000. So normal profit is 12,000. 20,000 minus 12,000, we get 8,000 as our super profit. So super profit is 8,000. So after find out super profit, now we have to calculate goodwill. That is the last step in this sum. So goodwill equal to super profit into number of years purchase. So super profit we know 8,000. Number of year purchases given in the sum itself 2. So 2 years purchase. So 8,000 into 2, we get 16,000 as our goodwill. That's it, ma.